Who is this man?
Who is this? Are we live, baby?
Good?
Yeah, we're live. I'm not the best cameraman, but... Alright. Well, I mean, since it's only that, I guess you don't need expensive stuff, but...
And I have a hairdryer. And I really just need a squeegee, and that's it. And I can just get that. But it's so thin, and I shouldn't even need that long machine.
What do you need?
Final wrap.
Take it to Brntout garage.
No, we don't do that yet.
Oh shit! This could be his little demo.
His little demo. You know what type of business I'm running?
Legitimate business.
You got any more stain?
What?
You have any more stain?
Stain? Yeah.
Alright, good. You're gonna have to stain this before Sunday. So a few chips.
It's alright.
It's actually really nice. Because you ain't gotta do shit. Because you already had that box set up.
Yeah, right?
Worked out perfect. Let's run the line to the sides, even if they just sit like by your seat.
Okay. That's fine.
That way we can set it up on the thing. Literally all we have to do is
Alright. I'm with it.
Oh, again?
Yeah, I think it's